you tryna be cute with no lashes on. Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up, then girl put them lashes on. Hey y'all, it's Justus and I'm back with another video to show you how I made this logo. It's not my logo for my brand, but it is a logo. Make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to open up the PicsArt app on my XR. I did use two phones because my memory won't let me download another app. So, PicsArt. I have all of the apps located down below for you. Okay, so start with a blank canvas. Make sure that you do the 1280 by 720. So do the custom. If you do it square like I'm about to do, I'm going to show you how to fix it later. But to not have to fix it later, do the 1280 by 720 custom. That'll make sure it's big enough for you at all times. Okay, so you got your blank canvas. You go down to the bottom right corner with the layers. Click on the white and then delete that one, and now you just have a transparent background. Then you want to save the transparent background to your pictures. I actually just sent it to my other phone. Like I said, I don't have a lot of memory on this phone, so I have to like switch between apps. Now, on my other phone, I went to Phonto. Okay, so click the camera, click your camera roll, go to the transparent one we just saved. All right, now click anywhere to get the text to pop up and type the name of your business. So I first typed in Luscious. I don't know if anyone owns a business with this name. If you do, hit me up and we can talk about you getting however I can send you this. I just did it for the sake of the video. I don't want the name of this business. But you see, that was the name of the text that I used, and I just made it a little bit bigger. Now, a tip that you want to keep in mind, first, make it big enough where you can see it, because you don't always want to have to make your logo bigger and keep stretching it out. Also, pick colors that are good on any background. So that's why I picked the white dots with the black stroke. Then I'm going in and I am putting in the second word, which is going to be mink, for our luscious minks. My bad. This is the business we're creating today. And then I changed it to that Pepto-Bismol pink, just because I thought that was cute. And yeah, and I thought it was cute that like that was cursive and overlapping. So that's what I did. And then you want to make sure that they're the same size. So you'll see me sizing them up. Make sure you just get it right before you save it, because once we get to the next step, we're going to be in a different app. So you want to make sure you get it right. So I do apologize for the rain. I'm sure you probably can hear it in the background, but it is raining here. So I thought it would be the perfect time for me to just sit down and do what I need to do, since my internet's not working anyways because it's raining. Yay. So yeah. Then after we save that, we're going to go and send it to my other phone. But you would just save it to your camera roll and then open it up in PicsArt. So pretty much the only two apps you're using is PicsArt and Phonto. Super easy. I don't do all those extra apps. I don't do it. All right, so you're open up what you just made in your Phonto. I usually go to a blank canvas and then open up what I'm supposed to open as my blank canvas. So you see it still has the transparent background. Now, that was what it would look like if it was black. So you see it looks good on black or white. So then inside of the app, it does have where you can add stickers. So I found this like lash brush in there, and I was playing around with it before, and I found lashes, but I didn't like the way they looked. I did want to do some diamonds for the like luscious part, you know. So it has so many stickers in here. Some of them you do have to pay for, but I only use the free one. So if you want to do something like this for your business, you can. I did see a diamond there. I'm going to like keep looking just to make sure I don't like anything else, and I'll go back to it. So when you select it, it'll come up. It already has like, it's, you know, a transparent background. So it's going to be perfect for you. All you need to do is place everything where you want it to be. And to me, because I'm a perfectionist, that's the tedious part. So what I like to do is get a whole lot of like stickers and just put them there first to see which ones I like. and move from there. I ended up using that like Dusty and diamonds, and I thought that was so cute. But yeah, just play around with it, y'all. And if y'all need help, let me know. If y'all need me to make y'all a logo, let me know. I got you. And then I just kind of added those to be like a little cloud for the luscious. Now I know that a lot of people lately, I mean, I'm not a person for trends, but a lot of people have been doing like the diamond glittery names. I wouldn't suggest be a part of the trend. I would suggest to be different. So that's why I did the diamonds in it, but not did the names with the background of the diamond, because you don't want your business to look like everybody else. You want to stand out. You want to be the first person to do it, actually. But yeah. So as you can see, when I tried to put that diamond up there, it didn't fit. And that is why I say you need to do the 1280 by 720. So now I'm going to show you how to fix it if you didn't do right the first time. So we're going to add the wand in there, and I'm going to position it the way that I like it. Again, I'm a perfectionist, so it takes me a couple of tries before I feel like I like it. And I'm going to change the, what is it called? It's like you could change it where it'll blend in. So you see I'm doing it right now. Now if you want to, because it blends, but it has like a little bit of a line there. If you really want to, you can go to an eraser app and erase that little line. I'm not. I'm okay with the way it is. Like I said, I don't even own this company, so that's not a big deal. It's just for the sake of the video. And then I saved it, and then I went back in and did a 1280 by 720, and then added it on there. That way, I still ended up doing the same thing you would have did the first time around. Okay, so we're just going to add it onto the transparent 1280 by 720 background and stretch it a little bit, make it bigger. Boom. And then we're going to go back in and add our diamonds. So yeah, we'll find the diamond that we want and we'll add it in and size it up to where we want it to be. Now that to me was the irritating part, because I my like what I wanted, the vision was to put a diamond on each side, and it was giving me a hard time. So I really wanted them to look exactly alike. So you'll see I played with it and played with it and played with it. But I finally got them to be pretty close. You know, you can kind of play with what I mean, like the way that I would look at it. Certain things everybody ain't gonna pick up on but me. Um, but yeah. And then I got it to the size I wanted it to be. And that was pretty much everything that I did. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment them below. If you do try this and you know it looks like this, I just want to see what it will look like with other business names. So, you know, send me link that down below if you do have a business. Even if you do have a business YouTube, I like watching other YouTube channels. Make sure you link that down below. But yeah, make sure that you, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, because I have a whole lot of videos planned, and I have people who keep giving me suggestions. So you know I'm going to make sure I come through for you, sis. But yeah, and make sure you do save it to your phone, and you'll be fine. There it is. So that's it. You know, with the black, that's the diamonds. That's it with the white. Boom. Thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate y'all, and stay beautiful and stay blessed.